How to change your gender on the REDnote app. Hey there, welcome back to One Click Finance. Today I'm bringing you another quick REDnote app tutorial. This time I'll guide you through how to update or change your gender on your profile. Whether you're updating your information or just correcting a mistake, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is open up the REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in. So we can jump right into the settings. Next, tap on your profile located at the bottom right corner and it will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see a profile button right here on the small settings icon, and go ahead and tap on it to open up your profile settings. Once you are on the edit section, just scroll down until you see the gender field. So just tap on gender and tap on it to open up the options. From here, you can select your preferred genders from the available options. For example, you might choose male or female depending on your gender. Go ahead and tap on it to update it. So currently here are only two options. So once you choose your preferred gender, go ahead and save your change. And if you go back, it will automatically save your change. Then head back to your profile to double check that your gender has been changed. And that's it. It's super quick and easy. Updating your gender on the REDnote app just takes a few taps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for more REDnote tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.